Hi guys, I just want to double check, make sure that I'm okay here as far as the right orientation. Okay, looks good. Hey everyone, happy April. It's Linda Anderson here from LindaLouCreates.com, and I just want to share with you this month's Class to Go. It features the beautiful Time for Tea, sorry about the glare, Time for Tea bundle. There we go, let's see if that'll do it. And it includes the framelit, so it's the spot for tea. I'm trying really hard not to create a glare, but it seems like that's all I'm getting. So anyway, there we go. So the purchase these together, the stamp set and the framelits, save 10%. That's the way to do it. Okay, now let me show you the cards then too that are featuring this stamp set. So we have 3 different cards here using the stamps and the framelits, as well as the beautiful paper that comes in that suite. So there's card number 1, card number 2. Again, I'm trying not to get a glare from this is copper foil paper here. This is the ribbon that also comes in that bundle. And the last one. This one I was thinking of making as a Mother's Day card. Thought this would be perfect for that. Now, how do you go about getting the Class to Go? Well, let me tell you. Place a $35 order. Now that's before shipping and tax in my online store, as well as using the class code. And you will get these card kits to create 6 total cards. That's 2 each of these 3 designs, as well as PDF instructions, a sheet of Stampin' dimensionals, because I do love the dimensionals. Everything on something on every card is popped up, as well as the metallic pearls. And whoops, sorry, these are mine. They're used, and you would get here we go. Here's a full set. You would get a full pack of the metallic pearls. All of that will be free with your $35 order. The metallic pearls also are all used on the projects. So let me give you the information regarding all of this. I hope I can fit it all in. I feel like I'm in here pretty close. LindaLouCreates.com, that's my blog. My shop is lindaanderson.stampinup.net. That's where you're going to go in, place your order. Here is the class code for this month, for April. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me. That would be great. I also have information regarding this Class to Go on my blog, so if you need to head there, certainly can find it there, more information. Be sure to use the class code, like I said, and you have until April 19th to take advantage of my Class to Go. Thanks so much for hanging in here with me. If you have any questions or anything, I'd be happy to hear from you. Otherwise, have a great day. Bye now.